In our previous episode, we crossed the Gibraltar Strait and witnessed a raft of illegal immigrants being rescued. Shortly after, we were moored in the port of Tangier, enjoying the beautiful sunset and listening to calls to prayer from the nearby mosques. The following day, we woke up to the intense smells and noises of the fishing harbor. The beautiful scenery from the previous night was gone, and we were left with the remaining debris of the night floating in the waters. This included animal carcasses, rotting fish, fishing gear leftovers, and general rubbish. After that view, we decided to go explore the Medina, to get lost and wander in its narrow labyrinth streets, be puzzled by its mysteries and simplicity that creates such powerful memories. But what really grabbed our eyes was the markets full of super colorful food like we hadn't seen for a while. The spices, the smells. By the time we got back to the dream, we had a surprise neighbor raft up directly to us. The difference of both sizes caught our eye. For sure, they wouldn't want to be the ones between the wall and the raft boat. The situation provided quite a good entertaining afternoon with all the comings and goings. The next day, we decided to visit the Kashfa in the highest part of the Medina. This is where the Sultan royal family used to live, and was separated from the rest of town by strong walls. Once we passed them, we found a hidden gem. We sat and relaxed, enjoying the mood of this place. We drank a Moroccan tea or two, and enjoyed the views of the harbour. In the distance, we saw a tiny sailboat coming in, and we wondered, where would he moor? By the time we returned to the harbour, the new boat was wrapped up to the one that was already wrapped up to us, but soon after, the middle one decided to leave, leaving just the tiny boat tied to us. The difference in size between us and the new boat was even bigger. They were just 7 meters, and we learned they had just crossed the Atlantic, although it was falling in pieces. The following day we were ready to leave. We were missing the sea breeze in our faces. The 2 days in Tangier had been nice, but the Atlantic was waiting for us. The day was beautiful, the seas were inviting. Each one of us got into their position and waited for the next adventures.